Hello, good people. Good to see you again. I hope the week has started off well. Welcome to Finance Skills Hub. Here we learn, we connect, and we grow. One of the common problems that people call me on often in Excel is how to compare two lists for duplicates or for unique values. So in this short video, we'll look at best ways to solve this problem quickly. Let's get to it. While there are several ways to solve this problem, I'd like to start off with the simplest approach. I have list A and I have list B. I want to find out which names are in list A and in list B. To do this, I can easily select list A, hold down Control and select list B. Okay, so you go to Home and then under Conditional Formatting, while these two lists are selected, you can choose Highlight Cell Rules and then you choose Duplicate Values. Okay, so what this is going to do is that if it finds duplicate names in both lists, it's going to highlight it with the default fill color, which is pink in this case. You can change it. I must say that if there are duplicate names in the same column, this will be highlighted as well. Sometimes, to be sure, you can also do the inverse by choosing to highlight unique values instead. Okay, so in this case, unique values are those that are not present in both lists. So anyhow you want to get your answer, you can use unique or duplicate. So normally what I like to do is, after using the duplicate option, I can highlight this and then sort on color. So I can highlight, because this is my active cell, Clem is my active cell, I can sort and put the selected cell color on top. So I have the duplicate ones here. I can also come and highlight this one, right click. Now this time around, Equia is my active cell. So what I'm going to do is, while this is selected, the first one is your active cell, you can press tab and move to NA, and then you can now say that you can now sort by putting NA's color on top. So clearly I can see that these two are the duplicates in both sets. Now, what if I don't want to use colors? So let's reverse this process. I can just create a helper column on the side, and I can easily do this formula. If, okay, and I'll bring an OR. So what I'm saying is, I'll take this cell, Clem, which is going to go through every cell here, and I'm going to compare it with this list. So I'll highlight this list. This is a static range, so what I'm going to do is, I don't want it to move, so I'll press F4. So I'm basically comparing Clem at every point in time to this static list. So if it returns any hit, it will bring me true. If not, it will bring me false. So if I leave it like this, I'll get a series of trues and false. If you like, you can go ahead and assign a true value. So here you can now say, if there is a hit, return present. If not, maybe not present. Okay, so when I do this, I can just easily copy this down, and again I have present, present, present for these three that are here. The follow-up question I always get is, what if this is in another worksheet? Of course, we can do this in another worksheet. So here, the same process. List B is in another worksheet, and I'm comparing it with list A. So I can do the same formula here. If all Clem is equal to, I switch using Control Tab. Okay, it brings me here, and I select this list. Okay, automatically I get my absolute reference. Okay, so I'm just checking if this is equal to this list, and I'll close my bracket. Please remember to close the bracket before you switch. So you bring your comma, and then if this is true, again you can say present, and if it's not true or it's not present, I must say, you say not present. So my formula is now going to end up in the other worksheets. So if I do this, Clem is present, I drag this down, I could also do this using Control D. So when you highlight this, you just press Control D and it copies down. Okay, so you have options. Please practice and add it to your list of Excel tricks. Join our broadcast list. We send videos directly to your Mondays and Fridays. Please send ad on WhatsApp to this number, or you can visit our YouTube channel, Finance Skills Hub. All our old videos are here, or connect with us on any of these social media handles. Thank you so much for watching.